In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check activity on HubSpot, whether you have a bustling team collaborating on different projects or you're simply managing multiple aspects of a marketing campaign. Staying on top of everything in HubSpot can be vital. This tool is designed to help maintain visibility, and by using the audit log feature, you can easily track past activities within your account. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you know exactly how to find this information quickly and efficiently. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see an option to log in. Click this button and then sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This is your gateway to entering the back end of your HubSpot tools where all the exciting tracking features are housed. After logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll notice an icon that looks like a little gear or cogwheel, which is the settings icon. Click on that to open your settings. This area is like the control center of your HubSpot account where you can adjust and manage key features, one of which is the visibility of team actions and activities. Now in the settings page, you need to look at the menu on the left hand side of the screen. There, under the account management section, you will find an option labeled audit log. Go ahead and click on it. The audit log is the hub of staying informed. It's a tool that gives you a panoramic view of all the activities happening across your HubSpot account. This feature is especially useful for managers and team leads who need to ensure everyone is on the same page, or to quickly identify any unauthorized changes. Once you've accessed the audit log, a comprehensive list will populate the screen, displaying different pieces of information. You'll see categories like the type of activity performed, subcategories that add further details, the specific action taken, the exact date when the change occurred, and importantly, who made that change. This way, you're not just seeing what happened, but also who was behind each action. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have everything you need to regularly keep track of all important activities within your HubSpot account. You can confidently oversee your team's actions, ensuring seamless workflows and improving team accountability. Don't forget to check back regularly for the most up-to-date information in your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.